Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so I'll be sharing a new recipe with you on how to do a gluten-free, dairy-free fried chicken. So in the past I did share a recipe with you on how to do this, but I'm now going to be sharing another method in making a gluten-free, dairy-free fried chicken. So what we're going to do, we're going to season our chicken wings that we have here the day before, and we're going to be leaving it to marinate overnight. So here I've already washed my chicken wings and I have separated them. So to this new recipe, what we're going to do, because remember we're making it dairy free, so instead of using buttermilk, we're going to be using coconut milk. So we're going to cover the chicken wings with coconut milk. We want to make sure everything is nicely submerged under the coconut milk. So I'm using here, this is about 1 tin of coconut milk. And then what I'm going to do is squeeze 2 limes in it. This lime hardly has any juice in it. Right, so we have 2 limes there. Okay, so to this, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder. This garlic powder kind of got a little congealed. Just trying to break it up. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. I'm going to add some Frank's hot sauce. I'm going to add some green seasoning. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt. All right, so let's combine this. We're going to cover and leave to marinate overnight. So this is our seasoning in preparation for our fried chicken. The flavors will have a chance to marry overnight. And that's always a good thing. The more chance it has to soak in the seasoning, the better. So guys, I'm just going to cover this with cling wrap and put in my refrigerator overnight. And next day, I'll be back. Okay guys, so now it's time for us to fry our chicken. So for the flour mixture that I'm going to use here, of course I'll be using gluten-free flour. I do have some of it mixed here already because I did make this recipe a few days ago and I enjoyed it so much and I said, hey, you know what, let me share it with you guys. But I will tell you what I did put in it. Of course I didn't use any measurement. I just eyeballed everything. But this has gluten-free flour. It has some rice flour, some cornstarch. It has some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper. I also had put some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend, as well as some Lawry's seasoned salt. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little extra cayenne pepper to it. So, I mean, you can put how much you want. You could even put black pepper if you wish. I'm just going to use some cayenne pepper, not too much. But by adding the rice flour and the cornstarch, it helps to crisp up the chicken. So it really adds a nice texture to the chicken.